Okay, here's our key for the antiderivative quiz study guide. The first problem is the particle motion problem. You should expect to see parts of your quiz involving this. The velocity is 2t minus 4, and at time 0, the position is 4. What is the position at any time t? So in other words, what's the specific solution for x of t? All right, well, x of t is the antiderivative of velocity. All right, so let's do our antiderivative. 2t becomes t squared, minus 4 becomes minus 4, and then t, let's squeeze that in there, whoops, plus c. All right, and we know that when t is 0, x of t is 4. So 4 is equal to 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus c. So c is 4. So we have t squared minus 4t plus 4, which matches up nicely with option C. All right, number 2, let me slide up a little bit here. And now we have the antiderivative of the cosine of 3x dx. So this is a little u substitution. U is equal to 3x. Du is equal to 3 dx. We have the dx. We don't have the 3, so we'll multiply by 3 on the inside and 1/3 on the outside. Now we can do our antiderivative because we're looking at 1/3 times the antiderivative of the cosine of u du. Cosine's antiderivative is sine. Okay, so we're looking at 1/3 sine of u plus c, and u is equal to 3x. So we have 1/3 the sine of 3x plus c, which once again means our answer is C. But notice what they've done here. They've got negatives to try and confuse you. They realize that you have to put in a 3. They want to make sure that you put the 3 on the inside and not on the outside. So they've got confusers going all around, but ultimately we're looking at C. Number 3 was the one I talked about in class because I screwed up the answer to B. And we need to solve this. If we try u substitution, x cubed plus 1, then du would be 3x squared dx. And we got the dx, but we don't have the 3x squared, and we can't just put a 3x squared in there because of the variable. So this is out. We need to modify this in another way, and the way we need to modify it is by foiling. This is x cubed plus 1 times itself. So once we do that, we have x to the 6th plus 2x cubed plus 1. That's the expansion of x cubed plus 1 squared. Now we can do our antiderivative. So we have x to the 7th over 7 plus 2x to the 4th over 4 plus x plus c. And if we simplify the 2/4, we have B as our answer.